This video I will introduce linked list in brief. So basically linked list is a data structure in which you can store data in the shape of different nodes. Let us see its structure. Basically linked list is a collection of nodes. You can also say a chain of nodes where each node comprises of two parts. First part is known as data part and second part is known as link part. So this is just first node, this is just one node, and here is a complete linked list in which you can see that this linked list is composed of four data nodes. This is first node, this is second node, this is third node, and this is fourth node. The first node data part is 45, and second part link part has a memory address of the second node. While discussing the linked list, one thing should be clear in mind, that in linked list we can store nodes at random locations in memory. It means that first node can be stored anywhere in the memory. Second node can be stored at any random memory location. Similarly, third and fourth nodes and all the nodes of a linked list can be stored at random memory locations. These are not need to store at a consecutive memory locations like in the arrays. In arrays, we have to store all the elements in the consecutive memory locations. But in linked list, we do not have to store the nodes of the linked list in consecutive. In fact, they can be stored in random memory locations. So that is why we need the memory address of each node. For example, this first node will have a memory address, second node will have a memory address, third node will have a memory address, fourth node will have a memory address, and first node will have the memory address in its link section to point out to the second node. Similarly, in the link part of the second node, it has the memory address of the third node. And similarly, the link part of the memory address of the node number 3 has the memory address of the fourth node. Similarly, the last node, the link part of the last node will have a null pointer indicating that here the list is completed, terminated. And one more variable we have here, that is known as head variable. This is just a variable, it is not a node, it is just a simple variable that has the memory address of the first node. So this is the basic structure of the linked list.